Double mutant variant, meaning a double mutant variation, is a word that refers to a viral variety that has been altered by 2 mutations. The phrase has most widely been used to allude to a specific form of the COVID-19 virus, which was initially discovered in March 2021 and has since spread worldwide. This variety is likely to have originated in the Indian state of Maharashtra, although it has also been documented in other areas, including California, where it is believed to have originated in the United States. Mutant organisms are organisms that have undergone a mutation. Microbiologists use the term variation to describe a viral strain that has evolved from another strain via genetic mutation. All viral varieties are the consequence of a mutation in the virus's genetic code. A viral variety known as a double mutant variant is so named because it is the consequence of 2 mutations occurring at the same time. There are possibly more COVID-19 variations with multiple mutations, however the name double mutant variant has been connected with the one that was originally recognized by Indian health authorities in March 2021, which was the first documented double mutant version. An association between this double mutant variation and the fast spike of COVID-19 infections in the nation that occurred shortly after it was originally identified has been established, according to research. In the context of COVID-19, the terms double mutant variation and double mutant strain are often used interchangeably with one another.